Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to use the Theme Kit app. Firstly, go to Google Play Store and search for Theme Kit. Download the application, then open it on your apps. Grant any permission if it asks you. Most Theme Kit apps allows you to import MTZ or theme file, customize wallpapers, icons, fonts, colors, lock screen, and more. Preview the theme before applying. To apply a theme, just browse the application for different kind of themes. You can find everything you need. You can also search for themes on the application like anything. When you find a theme that you like, just click on it. If you're using the free version, you need to watch an ad before being able to use that theme. Now all you have to do is hit the arrow down to install the theme on your device. When the theme is finally downloaded, just click install to apply the theme for your Android device. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.